Hey guys, it's Mr. Pogi. I hope you're doing well today during COVID. I am too. It's summertime, it's really bright outside, and today is a good day for me to relocate my license plate and use the tow hitch on my Scion TC 2006. I bought a kit off eBay. I want to thank you eaccessoriesusa for this. The quality is really good. They responded back to me and I replied to their messages, and they did the same to me within a timely manner. Shipping was well done. Customer service is superb. The kit comes with the frame, mounting instructions, and the main part of the kit. Let's do this install. Alright friends, the first thing we have to do is remove the license plates. On the Scion TCs, the tow hook is on the left front bumper, and you can just pop off the cover and it looks like this. This is where you mount your tow hitch. Alright guys, so following the manual, we're going to install the mounting bolt. This is it. And we're just going to tighten it. You can use a 3/4 socket. Now it's really tight. Alright, the next thing guys is taking this long Phillips screw, the receiving cup, the pivot plate, and the pressure plate. We're going to assemble them together. So based on the diagram on the picture, it should look like this. The small little piece goes in here, and then the bigger piece goes in the back. And now we screw it in. I'm not gonna do it too tight so we can have some movement later. Alright guys, now we need to put the mounting screws and the plate on. Just gonna make sure it goes in the hole and it lines, and we're just gonna put them on one by one. Now let's fasten our license plate. Alright friends, I just went back a step and I just readjusted the angle since I want it straight and centered. Alright, thank you guys. Thank you for watching me try and spruce up my Scion TC by relocating my license plate. I want to say thank you again to eaccessoriesusa for being really kind. It was only $30 for the kit and another $30 for the shipping. All in all, I think it was worth it. Thank you again to eaccessoriesusa. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to Mr. Pogi. Nice and flat and centered.